Try the L'Oreal High Color Magenta watercolor method with me. So let's start by sectioning this wig. Just because I am not sure this is going to work, this is just an experiment to see if something like a box dye is going to work with watercolor method. So I am going to do half of the wig with one pack of the L'Oreal High Color. So I am just going to take out half of I think this should be half. Then if it doesn't work out, the plan is to use the last tube, the second tube, for this top so that it can saturate and work well while I figure out what to do to this part. I'll probably get another tube. I plan to get another tube actually. I plan to get another tube if it doesn't work. I'm sorry for being so pessimistic, but I like to figure things out before it actually fails. It's not like I'm so negative, but it's just me. I do not like looking for solutions last minute, so this is me just already figuring out the solution in case it doesn't work. So I am going to be using one tube of L'Oreal High Color with 40 volume developer, 1:2. That's the ratio. I'm going to use one tube and double the amount of the tube for the developer. So let's start. So this is it, and this is the developer. I use 40 volume. So it's very tiny, as you can see. So if you're doing a longer hair, like 16 inches hair and longer, please get 3 tubes or 4 if possible. If you're doing more than 20 inches hair, get 4. If you're doing more than 18 inches rather, get 4. Sorry, I shouldn't have worn these gloves before opening this thing. I wanted to be fast with this video. Okay, I've gotten it now. So to open, use the back of your cover to open. Then pour out everything here. I really do hope it works. I hope you guys are praying as I'm pouring this thing. If it does not work, that's another money wasted, because I still have to buy another one. So why you should use this if you're trying to get wait before you even say, is this the only color this girl knows how to do first? Burgundy. You want to kill us with burgundy? Calm down. First of all, that's your business. Second of all, okay, I'm still going to do other colors. I actually do experiment a lot with colors. So for now, I am trying burgundy color because I don't really wear colors that well. You understand? So I can't just waste money on this thing. So hopefully as I grow my channel, you guys help me grow my channel, I'll be able to do more colors and recommend good ones for you. Sorry. But for now, definitely I won't be doing I don't know why my voice is like this, but for now definitely I won't be doing just burgundy, but I'll be doing other colors, unique colors that will still be subtle in a way. It won't be too bright. It's still going to make you look classy and look normal and decent. You get, but burgundy is something most people want to do, and I figured most people search to get it, even though it might seem like the easiest to achieve. It's actually easy to achieve if you know what you're doing. So why it's not easy is because sometimes it might come out brighter than usual or darker than usual. So this is the reason why I am making videos like this. So like this one I'm trying now, I don't think there is any video like this on YouTube. So yeah, I am just trying this out. I am risking my money, even though I don't have money. Can you see what I'm doing for you guys? I am risking it all to try this, and if it doesn't work out, I have to buy another one, even though this is very, very expensive for a very small tube. L'Oreal, please, if you can increase your tube, the size of this tube, please do, because this is not fair. So I have to get everything all out. I see people doing this thing, cutting it from here. I don't know. I don't think it makes any difference, to be honest. I tend to give people too much of what they ask for. If this thing does not work, what should I do? What should I do? And if this thing works, what should I do too? What should I do for you people if this thing works? Let me know in the comment section. It smells like it's work though. It smells like it's work. Ah! I'm just excited. I don't know why. It smells like it's work, guys. Let me quickly put it before it turns cold. Oh, by the way, do not put boiling water. It should just be hot, but not boiling. Before you go and damage your hair and say it is me that told you to damage your hair. So this is another advantage of getting these gloves. You can easily put your hands through the hot water. But I'm not saying dip it and rest there. It's still very hot. But yeah. So I am using this hanger to guide me, so I don't stain. So I don't color unwanted parts. I should have actually gotten a plastic that I can cover to preserve the heat. But I really hope this works. You guys still pray, continue praying. I really do hope this works. I am going to shake the hair so it can go through all the strands. And this hair is quite black. Maybe I should have lightened it a bit brown before doing this one. I didn't think about it so that it can work better. You know what? I'm going to leave it and trust the process. Like we Nigerians always say, trust the process. Trust the process. You guys just trust the process, huh? Trust the process. No, I'll get foil now. I'm just going to get foil. So I'm just going to do it as if I'm cooking. As if I'm baking something. I'll just cover it so there's no space for the air to breathe and for the heat to come out. Obviously it's going to get cold later, but I'm already tired. I get tired easily, guys. It's not laziness, I promise. I just get tired when I do little things. It's laziness, but it's not laziness. Okay. You trap it. You trap like this. Like Yoruba, they trap the person. So we're going to wait for 45 minutes and we'll be back to check if it works. So who is ready to see whatever we've been cooking? Ew! It's steaming. It's not hot anymore, Sha. Ew! Does it look like it did? No, it doesn't. Okay, I'm not sure. Did it look like it? I will come back and let you people know. I'll go and dry it first because when colors are wet, you can't easily see them. Look at my knife. I'm going to put elastic band inside. Elastic band so would have chopped out of it. Ah, it kind of did though. I'm seeing some red strands, but it's not bright enough. So please don't waste your money. If you are rich, you can do this method. Just make sure you use like 3 in this particular size of water. But you know, if you are not okay, before I give you advice, let me first see the end results. This is not, see, God might decide that we want to shame our enemies today, so let's dry it first before we decide that it did not work, because it's still very dark. I think it did. I can see the strands, not burgundy but wine. Looks wine. It doesn't smell conch or acidic anymore, so I think it has done its job. Let me just rinse. Maybe I should have used red though. Red is brighter than magenta, so I should have used like red instead of magenta to get this burgundy color, since the water is already diluting it. What do you guys think? My hand is peppering me. What have I done? And right. I feel like it's showing. Oh. See, is it not showing? You people should see. Just have to check. Is it not showing? See, it's back. This is the result on watercolor method with L'Oreal High Color. I am not saying up for other brands, but this is for L'Oreal High Color. So I'm not assuring you that it's going to work for other brands. This is just for L'Oreal High Color. It turned out darker than expected, so I will be applying the color again the usual way, not the watercolor method way. So I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and comment. Thank you for watching.